I just got my radiator from my 2014 Tundra, and I also got my fan clutch pulley bracket, and I just went to go purchase my fan. So I have everything that I need to fix my the damage on my truck. So I'm gonna do that right now, and it's already late. But I'm gonna get going because where I live, there's a guy that works here every day, and he snitches on the owner uh, to not let nobody work on their cars here. So he's gone for the day. I'm gonna get going on that, and I'm gonna make a video out of that. How to replace my pulley bracket. It broke. Um, these are the bolts that I took off. These are the bolts for the these and these. So I'm gonna reuse these bolts, and now I'm gonna keep going. I'm actually gonna remove the box and set it up before I start doing anything. So you can have a clean surface, so it can have really great contact when it gets hot. So right now I'm at the process of connecting the 4 bolts. Got one here, one right here, and then there's another one right there. And that's pretty much it for bolts on the bracket. But I just noticed that there's an extra bolt here that I have no clue where it came from. I'm trying to figure out if something else broke. I have a crack right. Where is it? There's a crack right there. Where is it? Oh, right here. That's cracked. Well, where does that come from? I think that's when the pulley broke. It cracked just a piece of the metal. But I don't see anything that bolts. But where did that bolt come from? It's crazy weird. So this is the best tool I probably own. Is this little stubby. It's a little stubby. So in tight spaces like here, if I want to tighten some bolts and I don't have if I just want to use a regular size uh 3/8 instead of having to use a 1/2 inch, I just a 1/2 inch breaker bar, I just have extensions. One extension, two extension, 3, 4, and that becomes a big breaker bar, and it makes my life super easy. Super easy. I bought this tool at O'Reilly's a while back, and it's been very helpful during the years. I have it for a year and a half, I think, and I would suggest anybody if they're a mechanic to own this tool. Best tool. So the easy part is done. Now the hard part is to slide the they call it the radiator and the radiator housing, that you house that and then the radiator and then the fan. So I'm gonna put the fan in last. No, I'm gonna put the fan in now. Put the fan in now, and then I'll put the housing, and I'm gonna slide the housing over, and then I'm gonna pull the radiator in. That's what I'm gonna do. But first, let me put the belt in. Yeah, I'll do the belt now. There's enough space here to do the belt. Just finished installing the belt with hold on. I broke this. With this works magics. I'm telling you. Gotta buy this. This little stubby right here. Check it out.
What is it?
Look at it. It's a little stubby.
Oh.
And you could just like, or you could like buy extensions and make it like extend like a motherfucker. So you could actually be able to take off a belt really easy without you. If it's short, it's gotta be hard. If it's long, you have enough circumference to not use so much strength.
Yeah, for more leverage.
More leverage, yeah. So this shit is good, man. So right now I'm gonna, I don't know if I should, I think I should install this now or the belt. Should I install the belt? I don't know. So I'm gonna have it in a certain angle. So whenever, oh shit. And check this out. I bought this at the yard sale. This thing right here, you just put it on there. And then
Oh, there it goes.
And then it goes in the back.
You drop it.
It's your engine. Alright, so it has little grooves inside, so whenever you're gonna do this, do with the clamp, it has good leverage, but let me see. So when I'm gonna put it in there, I'm gonna put it in straight. So what I'm doing right now is I'm making sure once the radiator is gonna put in here, I have a straight angle. That's why I'm leaving it at this angle. And the other one is right here. Oh shit, it's gonna leak. Leak out. But now I'm gonna put it. I think I'm gonna put it later on from the bottom. So I'm gonna do this. Have it like an angle from the bottom. Yeah, no, or from the top. I think I'll do it for the top, in case it jams in the bottom. Will it? Okay, that's good right now. This one goes in. Oh shit. Which one did I do? Oh, like that. Perfect. So it's at an angle. It was at that angle the other day. Took me a while to get it on. So now I'm gonna adjust it to this angle. And then we have this. Shit. Right there. You're right there, perfect. So yeah, let me see. I'm gonna start. You mind shining the light on me, so I could take off these like this. I want to take this off, but I don't think this one doesn't come with it. Yeah, this doesn't come with it. Sucks. Also, this one here. This doesn't come with it. That's what happens when you don't buy the dealer part. You don't get the good shit. You get the chaffa shit. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. So. Ah, shit, I didn't press record, but I tightened these bolts right now. So I had put, so what I did was, first put this, the housing for radiator housing in, and then slid it in here. And then I told my brother to hold it, and then I put the fan, and then I tightened the fan. And I bolted the fan, and so now it's here. So now all I have to do is slide in the radiator in, down, and then close it, tighten it, and I'm done. And then, you know, tighten the hose, clean the hose, whatever. But yeah, but that was pretty simple and easy. So right now I see some this right here. I want to fix it before I put this in, and there's a few other ones that blocks air from going into the radiator. So I'm actually leaving these brackets on, the original brackets. I'm gonna take off the brackets from that one, so I don't have to go under here and bolt the 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have them loosened, and that's why, because if I just don't want to pull the whole, well, I just don't want to deal with another issue. So I'm just gonna keep these brackets that stayed on the vehicle the whole time, and I'm gonna do that right now. Let's see. Adjusted. Now I have this one in there in position, so it won't mess everything up so bad. I'm going down there. See you in a little bit. Bro.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
So this is the next day. So now I have finished the repair on my truck, and I recorded it in the night. I did the video, so I'm making the next day a video to show what I did because I didn't have enough space on my phone to do it. So this is the next day. So it's already fixed. I driven this car already, and it nothing leaked. Everything looks fine. So I just I forgot to mention what tools I used. It was pretty much 10-inch bolts here too, and a 12 here each side, here, and there was 2 here and 2 here, in total 4, 12 to remove. And to remove the pulley belt, that was a 15 socket. So all I needed was a 115, a 14 to remove the big bolt on the bracket, and 12 to move the other side of the bracket, and 10s here. And those are all the socket sizes that I needed, pretty much. Yeah, so yeah, the car is done. It's clean. I mean, it's repaired, and there's not much I can say, which is it's an easy job and doesn't need many tools, and you don't need to remove other components to remove the bracket on this vehicle, on the 4.6 liter Tundra. I'm trying to get a wiping and clean a little bit inside to make it look a little decent. Dirty. Cleaning it with a wipey instead of using a water, which is dangerous. It's not smart. That mess up electronic area parts. I think in total, the repair was this was about $200. The radiator cap was 5. Oh no, 12. The fan was 80 plus tax and AutoZone, and the pulley was 120. 120. So I spent about 350 for almost $500 on parts, and labor I did it myself, so I saved money on that. But hopefully the problem doesn't come back. I had the belt. I had warranty on the belt, so they replaced the belt for me. No charge twice already. I replaced 2 times. Just because the first time I just wanted to get a fresh belt after I did the idle pulley replacement. I already done that already, so I didn't need to. I've done it. I've replaced about 3 times on this car. One of the times was just because I wanted to after replacing the pulley belt. So yeah, this is the after effects. Let me see if you want to see the video.